So I'm going to try, I don't know if this is going to work or not, but I'm going to try to demonstrate how to punch your cable down on a patch panel like this. So follow your cable down with the existing cable. Mark everything where your lengths need to be, trim it, get it ready to go. And then you start by laying your shortest ones in first. So I'm going to set the camera up here and see if I can capture that. So you got your brown, white, green, orange, and blue. So you're going to go get your brown and your green around, and then your blue, and then your orange. Kind of pinch them and hold them so that they separate nice. I'm going to lay it down with your thumb there, hold that down, grab your brown pair, and you got to get your white and your brown in the right spot. So you can kind of wiggle it around and then pull and push down on the pair. Now, if it's not right where it needs to be, you need to untwist it a little bit. So you hold it in place with your thumb, untwist it just enough so that you can get your conductor to go where it needs to go. These little separators are called IDC towers, and the IDC stands for insulation displacement connector. And what that means is that it pushes the insulation out of the way with its little blades to make contact with the conductor. And so I totally botched that and almost rolled it because I'm paying attention to trying to teach. But once you get it in like that, then you come through with your punch tool. Make sure your blade side is out. Voila, just like that, and you're ready to go.